honors. He is also a silver medalist in the cluster meet Sipak Takraw Boys. John Jaime Olavario. John Arn M. Osila. Mark is also awarded with an outstanding performance in electrical installation and maintenance. Enrico Miguel A. Rimbilio with honors. Ruel O. Sakaya. Janisen L. Sanormo.
Nisot na ka?